Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax at Panama City Beach, and now we are standing beside this 2024 WHALER170 Montauk. Up from its little brother 15 Montauk, you'll see here, and instead of the fuel under the leaning post, you actually have a 25-gallon tank that's recessed into the deck, which makes your seating a little more comfortable, and as well as your live well that's under the seat, giving the cockpit a little bit more room. Come take a look over here. You know, rather than just having a regular boarding ladder, you actually have a swim platform and a 115 Mercury as an option on this boat. As I step down into the cockpit, you'll see your removable backrest here, which if I take this out, makes 2 rod holders. This seat's removable as well if you did want to fish, so you don't scuff up your seats. If you want to step aboard here, I want to show you all the helm and the bow area of the 17 Montauk. Hey guys, now that we're here at the leaning post of the 17 Montauk, you notice that here in the resting position, if I move it forward, your live well underneath here, also insulated, can be used as a cooler, apart from the one up front, and back here. Y'all step aboard as we go to the helm of the boat. Your 9-inch Simrad here makes finding fish and mapping very easy, and as long as you want to listen to some tunes on the boat, your JL audio, always the best in the business. Coming towards the bow of the boat, you do have a 45-quart igloo cooler, and what I really like about this boat is the extra space it has, whereas you have an extra storage locker here and your anchor locker up front, so you can actually put some extra fishing storage, tackle storage, whatever in this boat. It's nice too if you have some small kids with the bow rails of the rail in the front, they have something to hold on to. But yeah, like I said, I'm Ben Finley, MarineMax at Panama City Beach. Come see us, y'all have a good day.